your eyes are still there. The next one we're going to do is the I love my mother in Frere Jacques too. Okay? 1, 2, 3. I love my mother. I love my mother. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. All I want to say is Happy Mother's Day. I love you. I love you. I love my mother. I love my mother. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. All I want to say is Happy Mother's Day. I love you. I love you. I love my mommy. You guys need to stand up straight. I don't know why everyone's pushing up so I'll be on camera. One. That's bottom half stop. Ready? I love my mommy. Yes, sirree. She is very good to me. She makes me cookies and yummy treats. That's my mom. She's really neat. Oh, oh, oh. Who wouldn't know? Oh, oh, oh. Who wouldn't know? I love my mom and she loves me. That's the way it's supposed to be. Next one, Mary had a little lamb. This is a little tricky one, so make sure you're listening, okay? Mommy takes good care of me, care of me, care of me. Mommy takes good care of me each and every day. She cooks my food and ties my bows, sweeps the floor and mends my clothes, even stops to wipe my nose because she loves me so. She helps me climb my favorite tree, dries my tears when I skin my knee, reads to me and plays with me. My mommy loves me so. Next one, you are my mommy.
You are my mom.
So wait. One, two, three.
You are